In this session, we will try to understand what is the exact difference between the internal class and public class through the comparison table. Okay, so coming to the access level, in the internal access, you can access the internal class within the same project. And the public class, yes, you can access anywhere, even the external projects as well. If you are designing the any class with the public, you can access anywhere in the solution. So if you go to the use case, so you can use the internal classes uh, in the internal project usage, but into the public class, whenever if you want to export the class globally, so in that case you have to use the public class. Okay, it is used when the class should be globally accessible by other assemblies or the projects. Now if you go coming to the visibility in the other projects, so it is not visible outside of the project or outside of the assembly. So it's visible, public classes will be visible all the projects. And coming to the typical scenarios, this internal classes useful for the classes that are internal helpers or utilities specific to the project. And coming to the public class, it is suitable for the classes like API services or libraries that need to be the public exposure. So that is the main behavior of the internal class and public class. So generally, if you want to design the some helpers which are part of the internal project, so in that case you have to use the internal class. If you want to design the any APIs or libraries, you have to use the public classes. So for example, if you take the helper class, okay, here, which is designed by the internal, so that I can access within the same assembly. If you design the any main service by using the public class, then I can use this in the anywhere of the solution, so that I can access this public class either in the same assembly or outside of the assembly. So in this way, we have to understand what is the exact difference between the internal class and public class. So the main difference is that internal class only can accessible within the same assembly. Public class, it can be accessible within the same assembly as well as it can be accessible outside of the assembly as well. So that we can use the public classes generally while we are preparing the APIs and libraries.